In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Attack Shark X3 mouse software. First things first, you want to head over to your Google and you simply want to search for Attack Shark X3 software. Head over to the official Attack Shark webpage right here, and simply if you then use the search bar feature and search for X3, unfortunately the product or the software will not show up onto this page. Now the trick is to simply click on the mouse option, and basically the first mouse or the first model right here will then appear as the Attack Shark X3. Simply click on the button and then click on the Attack Shark X3 software. From there, just install the application and it will simply look something like this. Now to use it, it's going to be really simple. On this page, we can edit our DPI settings. So in here, you can customize your DPI settings like 800, 1600 and more. You can simply customize this the way you want to. In this page, we also have another very important setting, which is going to be the polling rate for our mouse. If you're onto competitive gaming, you want to set your mouse to 1000 Hertz. In here, we also have some additional options like the lift off distance, the key response time, and of course, we can set micro keys or shortcut keys on our mouse on this page. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.